Hey guys, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and today in this video we'll give you the actual view of TMR Orchid project, which is located on Kogilu Road, Yelahanka, Bangalore. Here is the view of villa from main road. And now we'll give you the internal view of a sample villa. So this we have entered into the living room. Here is the dining area. Over here you can see the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. And this is the separate utility area. Here is the common washroom, and this we have entered into the bedroom, the spacious bedroom, which is having an attached washroom. Here you can see the staircase, and we are going upstairs towards the first floor. This is the lounge area. And here is the sit out area. From here you can take the outside view of the society. And this we have entered into the master bedroom, the spacious bedroom, which is having a walk-in wardrobe area and an attached washroom. Now this we have entered into the another bedroom. This is the dressing area, and here is the washroom. And now we are moving towards the second floor. Here comes the lobby. The bedroom area. Here is the washroom. And this is the home theater. And here you can see an open terrace. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.